हाय हेलो गाइस, हाउ आर यू? होप आप सब बिल्कुल ठीक ठाक होंगे। यहाँ पे जी आज हम देखेंगे महिंद्रा थार रॉक्स 5 डोर थार स्टार्ट फ्रॉम ₹12.99 लाख या यहाँ पे मैं आप लोगों को इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ बताऊँ कि पाकिस्तान में 12 लाख में एक बहुत खटारा किस्म की गाड़ी जो होती है ना वो आती है। लाइक एक ऐसी कार जिसमें ना कोई सिक्योरिटी का फीचर है ना कोई अदर फीचर है, लाइक सिर्फ और सिर्फ गाड़ी कहलाने के लायक होती है। और वो एक ऐसे ही होता है जैसे कोई टिन का डब्बा होता है ना, उस टाइप की होती है। ठीक है, तो अभी मैं आप लोगों के साथ शेयर करूंगी कि इंडिया में 12 लाख में कितनी शानदार किस्म की गाड़ी आती है। महिंद्रा थार इंडिया की बनी हुई। यार चलते हैं, बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग वीडियो लग रही है। आई एम रियली एक्साइटेड कि यार इसमें कौन से फीचर्स हैं और इतनी शानदार किस्म की कार और इतनी मुनासिब प्राइस में। वीडियो देखने से पहले चैनल पे नहीं हुआ तो चैनल को लाजमी सब्सक्राइब और वीडियो को लाजमी लाइक करें। तो चलते हैं, देखते हैं वीडियो, लेट्स गो।
This is the Mahindra Thar Rocks, the
Oh,
5-door version
oh.
of the Thar. The key is the same as other Mahindra models. So it's a flip key, of course,
Okay.
and the grille has changed when compared to
Flip key,
the regular
wow.
Thar, obviously.
Wow यार क्या
Full
फ्रंट है।
LED lights
चेक
here.
करो जरा।
The regular way
Oh
of opening the
my
hood.
god.
Just pull this from both the sides, and then we are going to pull this upwards, and oh my god, it opens directly. That is the engine. There is no insulation there. Let's shut this and shut this as well.
Okay.
So I can't give you
This
opinions
quite
today.
interesting
वो तो
यार
हाथ
इसका।
करने में.
Yeah.
So front wise, obviously,
Wow.
looks very
Very
similar to the regular
beautiful.
Thar, but obviously the grille has changed here. You get a front parking camera. I can't find the radar, but it
Okay.
gets ADAS because there it is for the lane keep assist.
तो ये
It
तो
obviously has
इसमें
been sensing
ऑटो
wipers
पार्किंग
as
भी
well.
होगी डेट में।
And it's available with 2 engine options: petrol, diesel, manual, auto, and I think there'll be different states of tunes as well. Tire size is increased to
Petrol,
19
diesel,
inches. This is
manual, wow.
255, 65, 19 new alloy wheel design here.
Mm-hmm.
Thar Rocks badging. Thar written almost everywhere.
Very
And obviously the
beautiful,
car
yeah.
is longer because the wheelbase
Mirrors
has been
check करें,
elongated here.
it's very
It says
unique.
4x4 there. Mahindra hasn't given us the specifications of the car yet, so we really do not know whether what is the length of the vehicle or anything of that sort, and we're not allowed to give opinions as well. However, the main thing which you guys want to see is what is in
Wow,
the rear,
yeah,
the rear seat
doors
space.
तो
So
मजे
door
के
handles
हैं।
open in like this.
Oh,
and
that's
not like
nice.
this at the
Okay.
rear, and that is the rear seat.
Why,
so you
yeah?
can fold it like that and put it
Nice
back
seats.
up like that.
Oh.
And this is a beige interior here. In terms of space, I can't tell you how much space it is, but I can show you. But let me
That's
show you
enough.
this awesome car
Enough.
perfume from
Not
Involve
bad.
Essences. This is the Involve Carbon Black. Yeah, it is a cologne type fragrance. It's very refreshing. It makes the car smell like an aftershave. Very smooth, very nice, very fresh as well, and does not leak at all. It's super easy to regulate. You can just regulate it like this. Okay, when I've opened it also, yeah, it's open. It does not leak at all. You can get yours with a 10% discount using coupon code FASTBEAM. Click on the top right corner of the screen. I'm just going to put it here. So that is the dashboard of the vehicle.
Wow.
And if you notice, that is a 10.25 inch screen. Meanwhile, this is a fully digital cluster, and a lot of part bins from other Mahindra cars, like say the XUV700, largely the XUV700.
यार इतनी
lot
अच्छी
of
गाड़ी
buttons
है।
here, and that is obviously
Wow.
for the off-road bits. Yeah, and ventilated seats. You can see the ventilated seats as well. Electric parking brake, auto hold function too. That is the gear
Electric
lever for the four-wheeler system.
parking
This is the
brake.
regular gear lever. This is actually the manual. Dual tone beige
Manual
interiors
है।
in this vehicle, and it gets Harman Kardon audio system as well. Here you see the tweeter is placed right there. That
ओह
okay, the audio
वाओ
system is
यार
just
यार
turned on
इसमें
right
कितना
now.
अच्छा म्यूजिक
So,
सिस्टम लगा हुआ है।
steering wheel has got audio controls again.
तो
This seems to
doors
be
के साथ
the
लगा
new
हुआ है
steering wheel which
attached है।
I've seen in a lot of cars. It kind of reminds me of obviously the XUV700. It gets a panoramic sunroof which we will open right now, and there it opens.
ओह वाओ यार
That is the panoramic
ये
sunroof.
कितने मजे का है।
Which, let me see how much it opens first. Let this thing open completely. Okay, this is how much it will open. It's opening right now,
Oh,
and
this is really cool.
I can't give you an opinion about it yet, but I can show it to you while opening it. Come on, keep going behind, keep going behind. Now you can see how big or small this is, because I can't tell you right now in terms of opinion. I can't give you an opinion. We just shut this at the moment. Speaker placement there. This is the boot of the vehicle, and if you notice one thing, the window area at the rear is like this. Handle to hold on to, height adjustable seat belts, and you have got AC vents in the center like you get in almost every car. But let's quickly play
yes,
through this particular
AC भी काफी अच्छी
screen,
जगह पर
10.25 inch screen. The usual things which we see in a lot of Mahindra cars, and there is leather here. There's a handle to hold on to. The glove box opens like this. and we will quickly get into the front. But let me show you the rear. There's a USB-C charging socket, AC
पीछे
vents
भी
at
है
the
यार
rear, some
एसी
storage
लगा
space as
हुआ,
well,
इट्स
magazine
नाइस,
holders. In fact, there's a phone holder here.
या
This
मैंने
is
फर्स्ट
scooped
टाइम
out.
देखा है ऐसा।
Come on, make a quick judgment in terms of
तो मे भी
space.
शायद मैंने गाड़ियाँ ज्यादा
And there's,
देखी नहीं है।
I mean, twin cup holders in the center, armrest, ISOFIX child seat mount. Does this recline ahead or behind? Let me try this from here.
फुली लग्जरी है
Yeah,
यार,
it does.
लग्जरी टाइप
So
है।
there it reclines more. Beige interior in this vehicle. Let's quickly get to the front. And the door pockets at the rear are like this.
Nice.
Okay, this opens 90 degrees. Yeah, 90 degrees. Take that, Tata Altroz.
Okay.
And there's a push button start right here. In the start
Okay,
button.
push buttons
This is
है।
a traction control. A lot of buttons and a
Start
lot of
हो
stuff has
जाती
been
है।
loaded in this car. But there doesn't seem to be a dead pedal. You get obviously chrome pedals right here. And the seat, oh my god, yes, this seat actually gets electric adjust. So driver seat gets electric adjust.
Oh,
The co-driver
इलेक्ट्रिक
seat
जैसा यार।
gets manual adjust actually. And let's actually turn on the vehicle, which means pressing a button. And yeah, I think this is actually, yeah, this is the diesel or the petrol. You guys tell me, saying check tire direction right there. Let's quickly browse through this. So there are buttons here. You can use this button to browse through information on the cluster. Yeah, multiple things which you get in regular Mahindra cars as well. So a lot of part sharing happening in terms of whatever tech we are seeing here, we get in other Mahindra cars as well. Ventilated seat button is here, and electric parking brake, storage space here, some storage space here, USB-C 65-watt charger, USB-A, and I think there should be a wireless charging pad here. I can't really see it because it's too dark right now. They've launched the car in the night.
चार्जिंग पैड भी
You
है।
actually get a mirror which auto activates when you slide this, and upright windscreen obviously. Let's use the wipers as well. Lot of people so excited to see the Thar that everyone is crowded all around us right now. But I'm showing the red car. I will definitely show you the other colored car as well. Okay, let me try and adjust the steering. It's adjustable only for height.
Wow.
Yeah, that's about it. Automatic wipers, automatic headlights. That has also been offered, and obviously if I get into this menu, probably I could change a few things. Drive modes are there or not? Okay, this is the manual, so it probably will not have drive modes. Climate control, air conditioning system, what applications, you can do a lot of things here. Let's get into reverse. This is the reverse parking camera. It gets a 360-degree parking camera. Yeah, that is the 360-degree parking camera with adaptive guidelines. And parking sensors are ringing very aggressively.
Easily park कर
Let's
सकते हैं।
take a screenshot. No, that is actually to get into the camera function. You press a button, you can get into the camera function. 360-degree parking sensors as well. Let's listen to some audio right away.
Wow.
So Harman Kardon audio system. So in terms of features,
क्या कितने मजे का ऑडियो
long list
सिस्टम
in this
लगा हुआ
car,
है।
because I can see that a lot of the features in this car are more than any other body on frame Mahindra SUV at the moment. It even says Harman Kardon proudly here. Is it one touch up down? No, it is not one touch up down, but gets illumination everywhere. Leather finishing here. Let's just leave the key inside because we can
Yeah,
just
बहुत
shut the
मजे
door
की
and
finishing
get to
है।
the rear. Okay, there is a camel here. If you notice that Easter egg has been added, and a full-size spare wheel. Obviously, full LED lights. Yeah, both at the front as well as the rear seems to be full LED. Obviously, meanwhile, what is this? Yeah, this seems to be the reflector, and you get a rear wiper washer as well. There is a rear wiper. High mounted stop lamp. Let's open the boot of the vehicle, and I'm just going to put this up the same way as the regular Thar, and that is the boot. No numbers right now in terms of how big the boot is, or big or small the boot is. And yeah, there's a speaker placement here. There's a 12-volt charging socket. Another Easter egg
यार
right
चार्जिंग
here.
सॉकेट सारी तरफ लगे हुए हैं।
Yeah, there is a hook right here. So multiple Easter eggs in this car, which is something which Mahindra is obviously doing. And that's about it. Petrol engine, diesel engine, 2.2 diesel, 2-liter petrol engine. Both are turbocharged engines, and I think there will be two-wheel drive version as well, the rear-wheel drive version. So similar to what mechanically a lot similar to what is there in the current Thar. Obviously, I'll show you the other colors as well. This is the black colored car.
Okay.
That is, I think, the brownish color car. But obviously, the red colored car definitely
यार
looks
ये ज्यादा मजे की है।
red. Yeah, the
Exactly.
red colored car obviously will look red. Now, what other color can it look? So, guys, this was a quick walk around of the Mahindra Thar Rocks. पूरा वीडियो आएगा ओपिनियन के साथ, अच्छे से टेस्ट करूंगा थोड़ी दिन में. डोंट फॉरगेट टू चेक आउट द ऑसम कार परफ्यूम फ्रॉम इन्वॉल्व योर सेंसेस.
ओके जी, ये आप लोगों ने देखी यार महिंद्रा थार 5 डोर्स, और क्या मजे की यार, क्या मजे की लुक है, क्या मजे की फील है, और मुझे लिटरली ये इतनी पसंद आई है सीरियसली. तो आई विश कि मैं इसको कभी बाय कर सकूं वाइल पाकिस्तान में रहते हुए। तो शायद इंडिया की ये गाड़ी पाकिस्तान नहीं आ सकती, मे बी आ सके तो बहुत बहुत ज़्यादा वो जो एक ड्यूटी होती है वो पे करनी पड़ सकती है। खैर यहाँ पे पाकिस्तान के अंदर जो मौजूद गाड़ियाँ हैं 12 लाख रुपए में बहुत बहुत ज़्यादा यार खटारा किस्म की होती है, जैसे मैंने बताया। लेकिन मुझे ये देख के बहुत हैरत हुई है कि 12 लाख में इंडिया में एक ऐसी कार मिल रही है कि जिसमें आपको सारा मज़े का डिजिटल एंड एवरीथिंग, इतनी लग्जरी टाइप की कार है और जिसमें हर एक चीज़ मौजूद है, इतनी एडवांस है और हर तरह से यार नंबर 1। आई लव इट। आई एम श्योर यार आप लोगों को पसंद आई होगी। यार आप लोगों को ये कार कैसी लगी है, इसका सबसे बेस्ट फीचर आपको कौन सा लगा है, आप लोग लाजमी बताएं कमेंट सेक्शन में। इसका डिज़ाइन, इसकी आउटलुक, इनसाइड, कौन सी चीज़ आपको सबसे ज़्यादा अट्रैक्ट किया है। आप लोग जो भी कहना चाहते हैं लाजमी बताएं कमेंट सेक्शन में। वीडियो को लाइक और शेयर करें, अपना ख्याल रखें, अपने चैनल का भी। आई विल सी यू टिल देन, टेक केयर, अल्लाह हाफिज़।